Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see, I have dreads now. I had dreads before, but not ones that look realistic like these. And also me doing it myself because I used to do crochet ones, you know, and they're not bad, but I do enjoy these more because they look realistic and stuff now. These are pretty long. I'll stand up. Yeah, they're long. I'm tall, so they're to my to my hips. These took me about altogether, including the braids, probably 9 hours, because it's a lot that you have to do, especially if you want these to look perfect. Okay, but I have 24 dreads in my hair, and also I'll put in the description the hair that I use to braid. But this is it. This is what I used. Dr. Braid. Her, if you see her in the beauty supply store, this is what I used. And only used three bundles. I'm sorry if I'm looking up. I got my computer up there. I'm just looking up. I also used a lighter. They come in handy, especially towards the end, so it doesn't unravel. If you're young or you don't feel comfortable in doing it with a lighter, I recommend you having somebody else, do it for you that is comfortable and know what they're doing, instead of you just going full throttle, because it's a little bit dangerous. I'm not gonna lie, especially for somebody like me. I don't mess with lighters at all. Yeah, I really like how they turned out. You told me I love dreads, they just look nice. Do a little spin. So they're looking I wanted to try to make them realistic as I could. Yeah, and I also got little designs. I probably might get different ones also. But for now I'm gonna keep these in. And I might add more in. So yeah, I'm really liking it though. I'm really enjoying it. It's only my second day with them in. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do a dread.
So I will be using Murray's beeswax to put on my hair. And don't mind the white stuff on my hair. I had this dreaded already. I had to take it out to show you guys how I do the dreads. My hair was already blow dried before I did this entire hairstyle. So now I'm about to coat on my Got To Be glue. And you guys don't have to use this product. You can use another gel. But I always liked Got To Be glue. But you guys, I might be retiring it soon. So now I'm just separating my hair into 3 pieces to start off the braid. So now I'm just going to add a piece of braiding hair. Now I'm adding one more into the braid. I want it to be big but not too big. That's why I'm using 2 pieces. Oh, and don't mind my parts that's looking a little off. I didn't want them to look perfect because I wanted the style to look as natural as possible. And also it takes practice doing knotless braids, so don't get defeated if you couldn't get it the first time. Trust me, it took me a while, but you'll get the hang of it for sure. Yeah, so now I'm just going to continue to braid it towards the end. I did knotless braids instead of adding the hair on my scalp because it will help give that natural look when I wrap my Marley hair around the top. You'll see. So now I'm gonna add 2 black pieces of my Marley hair. You want to take about 1 inch of the hair and lay it upside down on the braid. Yes, just like that. And now hold it tightly. And then take the hair and, wrap it around. You want to wrap it around like twice on the scalp or whatever you want to pronounce it. And yeah, just continue to wrap, and just continue doing that and push it up, like push the hair up. I'll show you guys, just like that, like push it up tightly, because that's very important, because if you don't do that, it's going to look crazy, like it's going to unravel and everything. Like I tried it and it just didn't come out right. So you just want to make sure to push it up whenever you get the chance so it does not unravel, because you don't want that. So now the hair has came to an end. So now it's time to get 2 pieces. So the brown is Cuban hair, Cuban twist hair, and the black is, obviously the Marley hair. I wanted to add a little color, not too crazy. So I thought this color brown would blend in super perfectly. I didn't want a light brown, just a dark brown. And just do the same thing that you did at the beginning. Make sure the start of the hair is upside down, 1 inch, lay it on the braid and just start wrapping. And make sure you cover the end of your first hair you wrapped also. And y'all, I'm gonna stress this like crazy. Push up your hair. Push it up, push it up, push it up. I didn't push it up too much on this one, but I did on the other ones. I don't know why I didn't do it on this one. I'm stressing it right now. That's probably why I'm stressing it. Make sure y'all push up like I'm doing right there. Push up, because it's going to unravel. And you're going to be like, ugh, why it's not looking like most wagons? Because you didn't push up. So the end can be a little tricky, and of course the one that I'm showing you guys, like the tutorial on how to do it, it's of course this one. So just play with it, you feel me? Like you want to fold it and wrap the hair around the braid or the end. You can even cut the braid, no matter, just wrap it it's easy to wrap hair, especially like the Marley and Cuban hair. Like, that's very easy. So just wrap it, and you know, it should be secured. And I'm gonna like rub my hands together, you know, to make it hot. And it's gonna end up like that. That's how you want it to look towards the end. And I'm just gonna take my lighter, I'm scared to death, y'all. And just like, you know, burn, you know, the hair towards the end. I wasn't pushing up too much on this dread, that's why it's kind of looking a little off. But you know, it's still fine. Like, I'm day like 10 with my hair right now, and it's still okay towards the end. But yeah, just keep rubbing it, lighten it, and you should be Gucci. And there we have it, folks. Yes, yes.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like, and you can also subscribe, because there will be more content. I'm still new to YouTube, but you know, I just love hair. I love doing different things. So if you really enjoyed this video and you also checked out some more of my videos on my channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. Join the family. I'm still new, like I said. You know, I just love to do hair, and I just love to show people like the different techniques and the skill level that I do. So if you enjoy it, like I said, I would love it. Like and subscribe.